My vision for Kidwells was that I wanted a very modern, professional, clean-cut practice that fully understood business, fully understood that clients must come first. Kidwells, therefore, is designed to be a trained set of lawyers that fully understand those issues. In order to keep those lawyers, Kidwells had to be an employer of choice. People want to come and work at Kidwells, and in order to achieve that, the training is second to none, the structure is second to none, and the client care, which our solicitors have got pleasure in delivering, is really excellent. The core value of Kidwells is really straightforward. It's the way that you would run your own family at home. It is all about security. It's about honesty. It's about doing the right thing. It's about putting other people first. And it's about achieving the aims that you set out or promise that you're going to achieve. The new way for solicitors is a total understanding of their clients. We live in a very, very modern world. Electronic communication, instant access to everything that you need. So the way forwards here is to be able to fully understand your client, understand what that issue is, and draw out from the bank of law that we've got access to and knowledge of, and sculpt that into the right answer for your client. But you need to do it now at an affordable rate, and that's the way forwards. The perfect solicitor has to be one that is available with the right answer. What that means in reality is that you have to be able to contact him. You have to be able to have the time to explain to him what your issues are. For that, you're going to need a solicitor that really understands business. The perfect solicitor has to be the person that's going to give me the answer that I need for my business today. We invest in our employees with training. We support them fully. We take them in at the Law Society level of law degree, and from there they spend a lot of time working with solicitors in order to understand how those solicitors are dealing with their clients and their legal issues. The academic stage that comes thereafter, the further career, the legal practice course, which is a necessary stage before you start your training contract, is done from within at Kidwells. At that stage, before any trainee goes into a training contract here at Kidwells, they will have spent a minimum of 12 months as a paralegal. Kidwells offers and delivers excellence, and there's only one accreditation that you can get which demonstrates that you are excellent, and that's Lexcel. Well, ordinarily, before you can achieve the Lexcel accreditation, you would have a visit, and in that visit they would come and inspect your files, have a look at your file management, look at your file plans, your business plans, interview your staff, and then they'd give you a list of things that they say that you need to polish up on, things that you must change to get right. In actual fact, Kidwells applied for the accreditation of Lexcel and achieved it on the first visit with no recommendations for any change. In order to achieve it, you must be excellent, and quite simply, Kidwells is excellent. Accessibility to all means exactly that. When you phone here, you come through the reception and you get a qualified solicitor on the day dealing with your issue. What we say to you, and our pledge to you, is that we will not charge you until we understand what your issue is and we're able to give you the right advice to steer you forwards. If you decide to instruct us at that stage, then we will work out a payment plan for you. Because we come from commerce, because we understand what the issues are, then we're able to say to you, we can achieve a certain stage within a certain amount of money. And that means that in some cases, we're prepared to cap that rate for you. So if you are worried about it, if you do think you're going to phone us on a regular basis and you're just worried about those bills getting increasingly bigger and bigger, then what we'll do is we'll cap that rate. So you get peace of mind that you speak to your solicitor and it's not costing you any more money for that particular stage of work. Well, of course, we live in a different world now. You don't wait for anything. You're on the internet, you click your button, you want your answer now. You pick up your phone, you want your pizza in 35 minutes. Legal service is no different. You need something, you're the client, you come first, you want it now. Kidwells is based around that premise. So we know what the answers are once we understand what your issue is. If you've got the time to tell us your issue, we will understand it and you will get your answer straight away. We will see you today if you've got that problem, and if you get home tonight at 6 o'clock and you're worried about an issue, then you have got contact numbers for the fee earners that are working on your issues and you can phone them. No problems. Kidwells has to understand its client, and we pride ourselves on doing exactly that. We understand you. We understand your business. If we don't charge you. So when you come to us, we'll learn about you at our expense. That enables us to deliver to you an answer for your issue at a very affordable rate for you. But it does more than that. It cements the relationship between you and us as solicitors in that we fully understand your business, which means that when you contact us, we know what you're asking, we understand what your issue is, and we understand the law. We're going to put these elements together and deliver to you an affordable answer. That's what Kidwells is about.